Thank you, Nancy Rivard and airline ambassadors, for the important work that you do to prevent human trafficking. I'm deeply touched to receive the TIP Hero Award and wish I could join you in person. Our collaboration on the fight against human trafficking has been among the most meaningful efforts I have undertaken while serving in Congress over these last 9 years. I am thrilled to hear that you have just completed the 45th training of airline and airport personnel. It was not that long ago that we held our very first training together at San Francisco International Airport in 2012. In San Mateo County, we've learned firsthand the importance of see something, say something training. We've even copied this training for other sectors like the hotel industry. Earlier this year, our county saw the first ever human trafficking conviction when a trafficker was sentenced to 13 years in state prison after an alert hotel clerk reported suspicious activity to the police. Together, we can stamp out this despicable crime against some of our most vulnerable members of society, particularly our children and women. Thank you for your tireless work and commitment to protect human dignity. You have started a movement, and I am so proud of you and your work.